Feldwood students, it's Miss Bridges, and I'm here to share with you a book called Pete the Cat and His Four Groovy Buttons. It was written by Eric Litwin, and the art is by James Dean. I'm sure you all have heard of Pete the Cat. Pete the Cat and His Four Groovy Buttons. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with four big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. What an amazing use of adjectives. I know exactly what his shirt looks like. It's big, colorful, round, and groovy. Very cool. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my four groovy buttons. My buttons, my four groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? He had four. One popped off. How many buttons are left? Can you tell me? 3! 4 minus 1 equals 3. Now he's got 3 big, round, groovy, colorful buttons. 3 groovy. I like the speech bubbles here. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? He had 3. Well, he had 4. One popped. Now another one has popped. How many? That's right. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 round, colorful, groovy buttons. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Ooh, I really like Pete's attitude. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? I wonder what he saw. His belly button! And he kept on singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. Wow, this story really helped me with my attitude because I realized that we shouldn't sweat the small stuff and we should be grateful for what we've got. I hope you enjoyed today's story.